enjoy the meal?
Daddy, no, of course now. I mean, if I don't enjoy the food from my dad, so where else would I?
I was wondering, have you finished packing your things?
Yeah. Yes, Dad. And that's what I've come to say. I'm good to go.
Oh, well then, go into my bedroom. In the drawer, no, the first top drawer. Look inside, you will see 50,000 naira. Make use of it and stop calling, Daddy, Daddy, I want some money.
Okay, Daddy.
Thank you.
So, permission to pull out?
No, permission not granted. But first, come to Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too.
So,
now go in and take your things before darkness locates the sky.
yes, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. Okay.
Thank you. Such. Thank
you. Hey, Mr. Imo, how are you?
I'm fine today. How was the journey?
Very well, thank you.
So are you sure you was promised?
Well, as it stands now, I can't make it today. You know, plans changed. My boss called me this morning and gave me some instructions, so I had to handle it. And everything, the day has been so hectic. I just got back and I'm very, very tired. I'm just relaxing right now.
You would have notified me previous time, rather than making me break other engagements just to please you. And now you have disappointed me. You see what I say?
Sorry, you know the network here. I've been trying you all day. You know, anytime I get a little time, I try your number and it doesn't just connect. I'm really sorry about it. But nevertheless, I'm still very much interested. You know, I'm down for everything. The arrangements are still the way they are.
Well, if that's the case, we'll have to reschedule for next week.
Yeah, next week will be very fine by me. You know, I would have been done with everything. There's this case my boss wants me to handle. I'm sure I would have been done with it by then. And I'll give you a call.
Alright then, next week.
Bye-bye.
Alright, Mr. Amos. Thank you. Daddy, I really miss you.
I will miss you the more. The house will become lonely once again without your noise.
Daddy, you're calling your only daughter a noise maker, B. Okay, you won't see me for long.
Don't even think of it. That reminds me. How is Jay? I haven't seen him for quite a while.
Well, Daddy, he's fine. You won't believe we're actually serving in the same state.
Really? I hope you are not carried away by his presence. Wow.
Daddy, don't start. Please, I'm running late. Would you please?
Let me get my car.
Hello, Jay. Thank God you called. I was meaning to call you all day. I've been so busy. There's this case I'm handling. It's so tough. You need to see it. It's a very tough case. My dear. Yeah, I've been talking with him all, but I've not been able to see him one-on-one. I've just been talking on the phone. I've been so busy. So busy. You know me now. You know your sister's desire. Anything I want, I get. no matter what it costs. My dear, I know this as in I've been working on this case morning, afternoon, night. I don't even get to sleep. Fine. So how are you? Huh? Jay, sorry, I have to call you back. My boss is calling. Okay. I love you. Hello, sir. Good day, sir. I'm on it, sir. I've been working. Yeah, I've been trying to get all the facts right, but I think this will turn out in our favor. I'm very positive. Oh, okay, sir. I'll just submit the files first thing tomorrow morning. Those I've handled and those I've written. Okay. All right, sir. Thank you. Oh.
Well, madam, this is one of the sitting rooms.
Oh, really?
Make yourself comfortable.
Oh.
Do you know I was beginning to think you were making?
After I told you I was coming, I called you, remember?
Yeah. Oh, I couldn't just consider not until I saw you driving to the compound. You know, in time past, people have made promises of coming to buy this house, but at the end they disappoint.
Oh.
So I've chosen not to trust them.
Well, I am not anymore.
I can see that in you, madam. As a lawyer that you are, shows me you're doing good business with you.
Ah, yeah, sure. Thank you for the self-confidence you have in me. So can we proceed to the business of the day?
Yeah, why not? Come with me, let me show you to the other end.
Okay.
So, madam, what do you think?
Well, I think that everything in this house is gorgeous. Seriously, the possessor of this house must be a man of great taste.
You can say that again, because I'm getting the credit.
How do you mean?
Well, this house and everything in it belongs to me.
No. Are you serious?
When you came to my office to see me, were you thinking I was an agent?
Yeah.
This property belongs to me.
Wow. It's really nice to meet you, sir. Okay, so now that I have the opportunity to meet with the direct owner of this property, why don't you just step down on the price for me?
No, barrister. We have already illustrated a completion of that part. So let's not visit problems. Okay? Are you okay with what you've seen so far? Or is there any need for a change?
I've seen everything, but I would love to look at the rooms again, especially the master bedroom, if you don't.
Feel free.
Oh, okay. 1 second.
na fresh bread.
Why did it take too long?
That's fine.
Yeah, here. This is a check. You can cash it as soon as you want to.
That's okay. The authorized ownership of the document will be handed over to you once this check is cleared and cashed. Hope you're fine with that.
Well, it doesn't sound like a prayer point, but at least we can sign the document now, alright?
Sure. We'll move over to my office.
Cool. Okay. Please, I really need you to help me get something. I need a security guard and a house help. I don't know if you can get that for me since you know your way around town.
Yeah, sure. I think I know a dependable company where I can get them for you.
Oh, really?
Bob pays bills.
I knew you were going to ask that. Don't worry, I'll handle it.
Okay, shall we?
But I really need you to get me good ones. People I can trust.
Right, that's fine. Shall we?
Sure. Hello. Hello, Jay. What's up? I'm fine. Guess what? I've paid for the house. You'll love it. I know you'll love it. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm doing well. You know what? There's something that happened. Well, never mind. I think it's just my imagination or something. No, don't worry about it. So when are you coming back? Oh, Jay, please, I have to call you back, alright? I want to talk to my boss. Hello, sir. I'm fine. Good morning, sir.
Hello? Who you be? Talk your name. You not talk who you be, I'll pass this phone to my PA. Oh, you seated right here. You dey grace? Talk loud! I beg! I don't know. I don't know, say now you. I beg, chairman, no, sorry. I beg, no verse. No, I don't know, say now you, I beg. I dey grace for waiting. You know that say I dey very stupid now. Sorry. I've been a washcloth. Yes. It's a lie. I can't start work. I will not just start. I will start since tomorrow. I'm coming. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you. Thank you. This my mouth will not put me inside trouble one day. Just be carrying phone and be insulting people. Thank God. See, I don't get work now. Bros, Ejike, see, what is this cloth? Put all these things. Put that. No, put them for where small children go take the play. And they come. I get meeting with CBN government. You where? See, if they carry my bread for hand, they chop. You see, they cost me, they insult me.
Bread.
You never say this your hair. You see this your hair, it attract thunder and lightning. May thunder with a little bit of lightning. Fire.
Hey, who are you? Don't you say hi to strangers when they say hi to you? And besides, what are you doing here dressed like this at this time of the day?
What wrong have we done to you that you've come to distract our peace?
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
Please, you're getting me all confused. Besides, why are you dressed like this at this time outside here?
Just take my advice and leave us alone.
Oh, okay. I can see. You're not very... Yeah, that's why you're actually here at this time. You better get a room. I don't know what you're talking about.
time without me, but not to bother your mind. This property fully belongs to me. I'm here. The documents. I've come to hand over to you.
Are you sure you're telling me the truth, sir?
Excuse me, brother. I don't think I'm enjoying this joke. If you're having a change of mind over this property, you can as well open up. And I'll return your money and take back my document.
No, I only wanted to be sure, that's all.
That's okay. That document states that you're not the owner of this house, this property.
I can see. Thank you. So, what do I offer you?
I'm fine.
You don't want anything?
No, please, I take my leave now.
Oh, you have to.
Don't hesitate to call on me if there's any challenge.
No problem. Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. It was nice doing business with you. Bye. Latest landlady. Please, open the gate.
Shut! Permission to fall out to the due discharge of my duties, Ma, and to the area commandants of this area, Mama Commandant, Ma.
Cliff, are you sure you're normal?
I will tell you whether I am normal or not if you tell me to discharge to the due discharge of my duties, Ma.
Open that gate, I'm going out.
Madam, excuse. Madam. See, I want to ask you a question. I used to be hearing like rumor. Even inside this compound, there is rumor that you are a lawyer. So that's why I want to hear from horses' mouth if you are truly lawyer, because I see you wear black and white, and you know black and white, even people in choir practice, they also wear black and white. So I want to know the difference. Are you lawyer?
Yes, I am a lawyer. So?
Hey. I talk it. You know, you're a real lawyer. Now I want to ask you a question. Abe, you be hopeful. I'm just asking. The question is like advice too. Depend on how you take it. You be charge and bell.
What? Cliff, open that gate. Learn to mind your business. If I come out and that gate is not open, I'll deal with you.
I'll come and pass.
Barrister Kate, I guess. You're Barrister Agnes.
Yes, I am. Yes.
You're welcome to Port Harcourt.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
In here contain the full detail of the case.
Wait, are you actually backing out?
Yes, you know I'm not a criminal lawyer and it's a criminal case.
Yes, I know. Okay, cool. Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye. You again? Don't tell me you've been following me everywhere I go.
Why did you ignore my advice? I told you to leave us alone.
Listen, I don't want to know who you are or who you are going to be. Just tell whoever sent you after me to back off, else I will call the police.
You don't need to, because you were warned.
What do you want from me?
Just be prepared.
Prepared? Prepared for what?
That which is coming after you.
I beg, madam. This one way is just the confuse me. This one is just the drive. Yeah! You come park for you. Is something pursuing you? Show me that thing. Show me that thing. I'm ready.
Listen, you have to stop asking me questions in my own house. Meanwhile, did anybody come here to look for me?
Excuse me, I beg. Are you talking to me?
No, I am asking your clone.
No one has come here to look for you. Ever since you do James Bond, I am past and do James Bond back. No one has come. And no one will ever come to this house to look for you. The person they create when I'm around.
Listen, if anybody comes here to ask of me, make sure you notify me first before you open the gate for that person. Have you heard me?
Yeah, someone will come. I mean, man won't find you come.
Please, is something wrong with you? Are you sure you're alright? You don't know when to be serious?
I go serious, man.
Please go and lock that gate. What kind of man is this?
And they ask.
Shut up!
Every time, shut up. Now say you go talk for God.
Yeah, who is it? Yeah, come in. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is there? Welcome back. I missed you too. See? Please, bring your bag. Bring it. Wow. Ajuwaya. Finally. They're going to take off the number.
Oh, big sis, thank you very much for picking me up.
You're welcome. I really missed you. I'm happy to have you back.
I missed you too. But there's something I need to know. What's the secret behind this beauty?
Who else? Who else if not God? Anyway, congrats to the completion of your service to your fatherland.
Oh, thank you very much. Sister, I just can't wait. Where's the address on your house?
Calm down. Don't be faster than your silhouette. Don't worry, I'm taking you home. Calm down. I'm taking you home.
No wahala. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So, how do you see this house?
I must say it's very beautiful. Who made the design?
I knew you were going to ask that. Anyway, nobody did. I bought the house with everything in it.
Are you serious? That means the owner of this house must be a man of high taste. For him to have preserved these properties.
You can say that again and again and again. Now, Jay, take off this Ajuwaya outfit. Dress into something more pleasant. I want to have a night with you. I'm going to get dressed too.
I don't sound surprised because I was expecting it.
Alright, let's do that.
Okay.
Follow me.
Wow, this house is so beautiful.
I know. Jay. Hey, sleepyhead, wake up, hangover. I was warning you when you were drinking last night.
Good morning.
Good morning. Here, I'm off to work. In fact, I am very late already. Here is some money. You just use it to get anything you want to eat or get around till I get back, huh? I'll see you soon.
Okay, thank you very much.
Alright. Take a lot of water, alright?
I will.
Bye.
This morning, how are you?
Good. Well done.
This morning, how are you?
I just came to ask if service have finished. Whether you are just coming back to rest and continue servicing, or you don't want to do again.
Well, I've finished service, and that's why I'm back home to look for a well-paid job.
Yes. So you're finished. Kai. Memories. Back in that time when I was a soldier. See, let me tell you. You see all those soldiers that used to tell you people to do frog jump? I was the head of all those soldiers in the servicing camp. Hey, I'll just be telling them, showing people how to march, and their legs will just be going. You know how soldier leg always go? One after the other, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. It's not finished, That time, if someone insults you, I'll just slap the person. It is grace to insult my person. Like you now, you report someone that someone has maybe steal a pop-off or doesn't, I just slap the person.
I have never told you I don't know how to march. Besides, if you're in the military, what are you doing here? You should be in the cantonment.
Well, which one is what?
I said cantonment.
Okay. Yourself, you don't used to hear English. Did I say I'm canton this thing, a soldier? I told you I used to be soldier before. You don't hear past tense. When I was a soldier, simple English you don't know yet you do servicing. I used to be soldier like this, Kai! I was not ordinary soldier. I'll just teach you how to march very well. But in this one, since you are free, no problem.
So why did you come to me?
Why I came? I was just standing there and I just see you. This little small boy, he just finished service. What can I do to help? I decided, make I walk and go. I look at you. I use my mind to ask you a question of interrogating, of question, of interrogating, of question. And when I came close to you, I know that you go to say, normal, just to ask you don't job or make question for follow job too.
You would have told me you're hungry rather than all the statement of soldier, no nothing and all that. Please, if you need something to eat, let's go inside.
Hey,
That's why I like you. Point of notice, your bum bum is leaking.
You are sure you don't want anything, my son?
Sir, I'm comfortable with the work you give. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, so how is the service?
So that's the reason why I came to see you. To tell you that I've run it up.
Glory be to God. I'm happy for you, my son.
Thank you very much, sir.
Soon you will get a well-paid job and then find a woman of your dream and settle down.
That is what we do.
That reminds me. I ran into your sister some weeks ago and I was surprised that she's now a lawyer and a good one at that.
But that's the will of God for her and it came to pass.
You can say that again, my son. Now that you have left Bola in the town, I hope both of you are communicating. Because friendships are not made for today, for the results of tomorrow.
No, sir. Paula is a very special person to me that I cannot do without.
That's interesting, my son.
So, sir, how is business?
We thank God. The Lord is in control. We're happy. It's not as bad. Trying, yes.
Yes, so then you won't believe it. I went to visit him yesterday. I went to visit your dad and he was so happy that I came. You want to talk to my other sister? Yeah, she's here. I'll give her the phone. Fix this. I'm born on stuff.
Hello, wifey. What's up? Nobody has been asking of me, to the extent that I thought both of you had broken up. Huh? Okay, I thought another man had taken my... Okay, I thought another man had taken you for my lovely brother. How are you? So when are we seeing your beautiful face around here now? Oh, okay, that's nice. Alright, take care of yourself. Don't forget I will love you. In fact, I love you more than he does. Alright, bye.
Sister, I think you won't believe that. It's okay, I'm going to alright. Bye. Her big sis. She's not happy with me.
Why?
She said I've not been valuing her, she's been calling.
Oh, don't worry. Just calm down. When she gets here, I'm sure she'll know. She'll know how much we miss her around here.
I have to go back to my sleeping.
Ah, wow. So because Bola told you to give me this, but that's why you came to see me now.
I need to wear the fire clothes. Fire is searching for Joe.
Okay. Alright.
What is it? Why are you carrying your shoe in your bag?
Sure, you said you're in a hurry now. I'll do everything in the car. Dress up and all of that.
Leave!
Listen, Jay, we have to get to my office. I have to get this documents there before we go and pick Bola, eh?
Big sis, can't do it. Besides, she's already standing on the road and she's not feeling fine.
Okay, alright, then we'll pick her up, then we'll go to the office, eh?
That's fine. That would be better.
So sorry.
Oh, sorry. So, how do you feel now?
I feel weak inside. You need to go.
You need to please get her bag. Let's go, okay?
Okay. And Pixie's out. Am I taking it to your office?
No. Let's take her to the house, attend to her, and I'll go to your office.
Okay. Doctor.
Yeah?
What is actually wrong with her?
It's just an inconsequential fever that will collapse after she has gotten a proper rest. Eat her food, then take the drugs which I will prescribe for her. And you have to come with me to the hospital to get the drugs.
Well, doctor, that's not going to be a problem. I'll go with you, but that will be after I informed my sister to look after her.
Alright, no problems. To be fine, okay? Don't worry. You just need the proper rest. Alright, see you later. Alright, I'll be waiting for you outside.
Okay, doctor. Well, Sidi, I have to go with the doctor to the hospital.
Please, when you're coming back, could you please help me buy some fruits?
But that won't be necessary because there are fruits already in the house. But I'll tell my sister to get them ready for you. Phoebe, don't miss me much, okay?
How small madam her condition be?
She was fine when I left the house.
That time. What about now? I get them before no be property.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
Don't understand. What of now? Because way back then when I was in the force, I was told and trained that you should not go far away from sick people because they may need your attention to recuperate and recover. Do you understand that? Outside the force, inside the force, all are the same. Do you understand that?
If I'll talk to you later, I need to give her these drugs.
I don't go say no verse. Nah, advice. This one self. What you concern me now? Tell the mouth, the chook mouth for what you no concern. I broke.
So that was how the lawyer battled, and then we won the case.
Wow, that's a great traffic story.
Very good one. Hey.
You. Here's a signal outside. To the whole you.
But you took so much time.
You know what? I'm going to leave you lovers, Flora and Father, to enjoy yourself. Love up as much as you can, but make sure she rests. She eats. You know she needs it, alright? I'll be in my room. Take care. She needs to rest, OJ.
Of course I will.
Make sure she eats, so.
Of course I will. No more city traffic as usual. Okay. But meanwhile, I got your drugs. Okay, you also give me this. Yes, so we have to go into the room. You take the drugs, eat, and rest properly. Okay. Come on. Much better.
Yes.
I remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was a soldier. Participate now. I remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was a soldier.
Cliff, can you wait?
Oh, what now?
Oh, don't tell me you brought me out here because you want to march and sing.
See, anytime you see me sing hippie, yeah, hippie, hippie, yeah, you know that I am relishing those moments. Oh yes, those moments when I was a soldier. Come on. Back in the days, the good old days when I was a soldier and when the military was for men and not for boys. Huh? Come on. I used to be at the front, shooting, aiming, and firing. Back in the days of bush camping and camping in the bush. Come on. Do you know that? I aim. I take cover. I aim. I cock the gun. And fire! 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 I put my hand in the pocket. I hide. You aim with your right eye. And if you can't, do like this. Aim again. Remove your grenade. If you don't remove it well, it will take out your 2 teeth and you'll be smiling.
Okay, see, come, Cliff.
You throw the grenade. That is it.
Cliff, listen.
Come on.
Listen. Can you just
Way
listen?
back. And I came back to straighten things in the military and put things aright.
Yes, Cliff. Which of the forces were you? The army, the navy, or even the police?
Eh?
You heard me?
The force. I was not in any force. Why are you asking me that kind of stupid question? Eh? Am I doing interview? See, it's a very stupid question asking me. I was doing by force, but I was not in any force. Yes. Let's go back to the subject. Now, do you know this gun some people call AK-47? AK-47 was invented in the Second World War by a Russian. And his adopted name was Madison. You know, AK-47...
Oh, Cliff, come on, just stop all this. Can you stop? All these things you're saying hasn't answered my question. Which of the forces were you?
What? Huh? You're asking me this question as who? Eh? You see, these are the kind of things I don't always like. Even not for the fact that you're madam's brother in this house. Waiting for you. I'll just beat you like this. Beat you.
Going inside.
Come inside here.
the craze? Eh? In the craze?
Cliff, I don't know. Do you know you're actually making me look stupid?
All these things, they bear me witness. I didn't call you stupid though. Eh? But, come to think of it, you may be stupid though.
Eh? Did I'm not finding this whole thing funny any longer, okay? I want to go inside.
Confess! Go inside to wait. Wait, I'm suspect. Wait first. Who gave you this blouse? Eh? You're tempting me, see. Look at this, your blouse. That I'm just holding the neck anyhow. Before you know it now, the blouse you just do, and it's white blouse. I don't know whether it's a shimmy or this thing. See, the neck is expanding. Do you use the Bible back? Hmm? I don't know what is wrong with you. Come to think of it, let me just ask you one question. No, me, naturally natural of the natural. I don't used to like tricking my mouth in things that do not concern me. You understand now? So I'm just seeing, like the other time I saw you, you pass, you came back with one lady, with madam. Tell me, is she you people's sister? Because nowadays it's like your sisters are multiplicating.
No, she's not. Oh, you mean Paula? Paula is my girlfriend. Do you have a problem with that?
Girlfriend! So you now have girlfriend? Eh? Money you no get. Eh? Hi! That girl, poor girl. She is a real emotions manager. Manager of emotion of the man. See you. Money, not even one single naira like this you don't have. Okay, if she says now, oh, I want to buy Brazilian native, nana, they do the operation. You don't have money to buy anything. You can see you're confusing her future. See you. You think everything is doing fine, but you just rub foundation powder on top of your face and you buy punk in the hair and punk in your behavior. And you set love eye for her and put your hand in empty pockets and go for checking. And the stupid girl, innocent stupid girl will be following you about because of love. If you give her 100 naira now, her marrying all through the night. That's why to give her better money. You don't even touch her. Look at you. Sorry, I'm sorry for her. Why should I be annoyed or have problems with that little girl that you have wasted her future? A minute of silence for that girl's future. May her future rest in peace. Now, I was trained in the military to attack something will attack me. When something attacks me, I attack the thing. I am a law-abiding citizen. I don't have problem with your Bola girlfriend. I am a defender of the law.
I now get it, Cliff. You're a policeman. Yes, you are a policeman.
That's you are pointing me, accusing finger and call me police. Do you know that you're hurting me? You're calling me police for what? Have you seen me vex before? What? You call me police? Do I look to you like police? And you're disgracing my rank. For your information, is it because I've been hiding from you? I'm a member of the Navy.
Oh, that's the Nigerian Navy, you mean?
What is Nigerian Navy? Do I look to you like a Nigerian Navy officer? Salvation Army.
So, of all this noise you've been making, you're only a Salvation Army security.
You disgrace me. Come on, stop it there. In my church, we do frog jump up. If you didn't know. Look at you. You have a banjo spirit pursuing you. You just come to my church now. The Lieutenant General will just tell you, come on, kneel down. Spirit of madness. All those ones that you do in Yubo's church. Hey, take it. Lie, we don't blow our own anointing. Spirit of madness. God. You go stand up. We go tell them to do parade. Devil pray. Frog jump. Roll forgotten.
Baby.
Jesus.
Who are you? Reveal yourself because I can feel your presence. What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want? So reveal yourself.
What is going on here?
Jay, don't come any close. Don't come any close because I have to put a stop to this nonsense. I have to put a stop to what else started. I can feel her presence.
I can't see anybody. Please, can you put down that thing?
Jay, she's here. I can feel her presence.
I can't see anything. I'm not seeing anybody. Please, can you put down the knife before you hurt yourself?
Jay, I'm lying. Are you calling me a liar?
I'm not calling you a liar.
No, Jay, she's here. I can feel her presence.
Put down the knife before you hurt yourself. Please, put the knife down. Pick up the knife.
What's troubling my baby angel? That she hardly couldn't notice my presence. Does it have anything to do with them?
She feels my presence around her.
Is that why you're profoundly troubled?
Yes, because I hate her.
Or you're yelling at me? Calm down.
I'm sorry. I want to go back in there and deal with her.
No! Someone is coming. I will make him safe. Huh? I even walk in and pass through you people. And you don't see me. Hey! So make it for me say I don't know my work, Abi. Huh? Make it for me say I don't know my work. Now, I lock this gate with my key. I know the key that I use in locking it is unconventional key. How na take enter this compound? You want to put me in trouble? You want to put me in trouble? Even if I legitimately open the gate for you to enter at this time of the night, it can even cost me my job. Who are you? Who will I be? And look at you. You know the sleeper. My uniform for that place. Una know the way slippers.
Should I teach him a lesson?
Always be fast to see and be slow to act. That's the waiting. Lesson teacher.
Lesson teacher. You, if they look up, if they wear buggy clothes, which one did they sell? Na wristwatch, I think that's what. Huh? You, if they wear devil clothes. For what? You think all this eye that you are shining, doing like this as if they are holding your neck, that is going to intimidate me? He's not intimidating me. My friend, get! Do you know my rank? He speaks blindly. See you. That's for my yard. Now you come to tell me that I speak blindly. And when that did you do from them? Who wants that? You. Oh yeah. That. Nah man. Hands up. Nah man. Hands up. Huh? Okay, wait, just wait. You did great. I even the pass through Namidu. Hey! You said a better stone. Wait. True didn't disappear. Bros. Baby. Mama. Baby. I beg from where now to go now come. Now where I know where she come. If my man fit tell me something, see where my man they tell me no food. I beg. No best. Now play I play with you now. Now play. Person no dey follow na play. And the rest they take what I hear will understand. Hey!
You're welcome. Welcome. Who are you? You'll find out soon. Find out soon? Hey!
Stop gazing at me. Stop gazing at me because my instinct has never failed me. Maybe I know what I saw, I know what I felt, and I can just say it anywhere.
Do you realize what you almost did to yourself?
Baby, are you saying I'm insane?
I did not. So don't start calling yourself names.
Baby, I know what I felt. I just felt someone was just in there, just gazing at me, just staring at me.
But you've said it before, okay? Please, if you don't have anything more to say, go to the bed and lie down. Where do you think you're going?
Of course to the sitting room. Because you don't just believe me. You're just telling you're calling me a liar when I know what I felt.
It's okay. I am not calling you a liar. See, the night is far spent. Let's go to the bed and lie down. I just said it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, come on, lethargic bone, get up.
Agnes, I'm exhausted. I'm tired.
Listen, you need to get up. You're making me weak.
Please now, I'm tired now.
Listen, you know what? Just stay. When you're tired of, when you're okay with rest, you can join me. I don't want to lose.
Okay, give me a helping hand.
Lazy.
Yeah, that reminds me. Did you listen to Cliff? I mean, hear what he wanted to see for?
I did not ask him anything.
Come on, you need to give him a listening ear. Let the snake vomit what he wants.
Listen, you don't know Cliff better than I do. Cliff is never serious with anything.
But that doesn't mean it doesn't make sense sometimes.
Trust me, I know what I'm saying. I know Cliff. Just forget about Cliff. Let's go. Okay. Listen. 3, this way, this way. 1, 2, 3, this way, this way. Till we get to the house.
Come on now.
Don't be lazy. You need to shed some weight. All right, let's go. 1, 2, go. 1, 2.
Oh my God!
Come on, I'll leave you.
Still playing on the
Stop this, you guys! Man, what are we doing?
faster music.
Your lover, baby, please give me. Oh, I'm going crazy. Oh, let me be your maga, your maga. I want to be your maga, your lover. Tell me what you want.
That's you.
Wait,
yeah.
Bola, you know you can dance so well. God, I wish I could even move my body half the way you do.
Of course you can. That's only if you give your kind to it. Because dance is just a movement of the body, just to create a statement. Meaning, you have to move your body just to do it.
No, I can't do it. Listen, you have to teach me. You must teach me. I want to learn how to dance.
That is only going to be possible if she is strong enough.
Oh, gee. Jay, calm down. Listen, we just went out to jog, finished our morning jogging, freshened up, and we're here having fun. Let's dance. She's fine. Fun.
You can say that again.
She can dance.
She's praising you now and you're happy. Since really, if I were you, I will go into the room and cover myself.
I am healed in Jesus' name.
Wow.
Set my own.
Alright, but what just come and teach me. Come, Jay. Come. Jay, come.
Now, where are you going to?
Don't hold on.
Okay. Should we? Okay.
It is from Sweet Music that's
Limpopo.
Oh yeah, start.
Okay. Let's pause the leg. Put your hands up now. Okay. Like you're waiting for the new thing to come.
faster music.
Because everybody is complaining about the meals you serve in this house. They are not nice at all. What is going on? Everyone, including your Madam Agnes, the one that employed you. She's not happy at all. You're serving us rubbish in this house. You need to step up. You really need to step up. That's if you still want to continue to live in this house. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I promise never repeat this again.
Continue. Madam, how much is it? So,
I thought I'd seen this one already.
what is your problem now? This is not the one I want to buy. You start eating.
Madam, she's going to give you money.
Who's going to give her money? Madam, take your money. Pay.
It's raining. Please just pay. Let's go, please. Come on. Wow.
Madam, how much?
100 naira.
This one is better. Do you mind?
Do you mind? Let's go.
Cliff, what's the meaning of this thing you're doing?
How did the people manage to enter inside this compound? Huh? Or is it... Eh? No, let's just assume that the gate was even open, okay? Because I cannot say that you flew from the fence. Let's assume that the gate was open. At least, wouldn't you just do need a little courtesy? Oh yes, courtesy of even knocking, pom pom pom, on this gate into my office. Do you know what your action is? It is tantamount to invasion.
You mean you left this gate open without minding? What if homebreakers had come in and do away with things in the house? What would you say?
What? It's okay. See these homebreakers? They are everywhere. They have union. Even they have small quasi parish of homebreakers around here. So if you talk now, they can even hear. Yeah. So I don't want them to come inside here because of what you have just said. Trouble the sleep, Nyanga go wake up. But even if they come, oh yes, I am battle ready. Our position. And move 3 steps sideways. And you rest. And you move to the center. Or turn around. Yeah. A position, as Saddam Hussein, way back in my peacekeeping mission days in Iraq. And point. I call American police and army. Come. Saddam surrender. And he surrenders. Bring tire, bring fuel. Bring tire, bring fuel. And he surrenders. Down! A mess. Huh? And that's the end of the story.
You know what? You're really a comedian. Baby, I'll go inside.
But Cliff, let's just face reality, okay? You left this compound open, thereby exposing everything in it. What if my sister, who pays your bill, what if she comes into the picture? How do you explain this?
Between you and your girlfriend, who be man? Okay, sorry. Now she be man, you be woman. Because this talk don't end now. Maybe some women they do. When talk don't end, finish. It talk don't cool. They go come out and for fridge, put them for warmer, begin the warmer, make it for the hot. What thing they do yourself? Huh? Why you behaving like this? Are you the woman or the man? In fact, okay, no problem. Share the none they call you, baby. Hey, I go take feeding bottle. This thing where you do now, woman supposed to do. Now then they rake. See how she come the very first time when she enter inside this compound. See posing. He do eyeglass like this. He look me. He talk finish. He pass. But you. Now you come the now you come be the woman. Whether you even wear skirts.
Jesus! Don't you ever mention that holy name before me. Why have you joined them to make us restless? Why?
With them? What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. Don't stand there and ask me questions. What have we done to you people?
I still don't understand. Please, who are you? Who are you?
Don't dare raise your voice at me.
I still don't get this. Who are you?
I'll reveal myself to you when the time comes.
Are you telling me that all these things you're saying actually happened?
Oh my God! Then, way back in the days, when I was a soldier, oh my God. You see this monkey? Have you ever seen a monkey that has horn before? The monkey just came down, phew, from palm tree, bam, and started biting our soldiers, biting. I said, for what? I was trained in Iraq, trained in Afghanistan, trained in Kuwait, trained in Iraq, all these things. I was fighting. I was the one that personally brought down Saddam. What of monkey? What's common monkey? I just took the gun, gave the monkey headshot. Bah!
What is the problem?
Talk to me. Baby.
Wait, did she hear what we were saying?
Oh, Cliff, will you just keep quiet and allow her talk?
Maybe she's in the living room. Maybe she sounded so miserable. She said we are disturbing their peace. You think I'm joking? You think I'm lying? Cliff, even you.
Even me, how? Wait. Oh yeah, come, let's go.
I'm not going anywhere. Leave me alone.
Come on. Oh, ye man of little faith. Come on. Let's go. Oh yeah, you follow. Come, let us go. Praise and worship. I am sorry. Father, say that. Oh, the band just really don't they attack the song. And the song don't they attack them. Come on, let's go. Sorry.
Leave me alone.
You won't stand at the gate here. Let's go inside.
Leave me, man. I'm not going inside.
Let's just go inside, please.
That's how it was. Now so they just disappear. Before you know, now me I can't look them. I can't begin to ask myself. Now from first you take command. No, I won't take first command. When you just 1 second where I carry my eye command. Which time first you won't take command? Now make me I can't ask you where did we go that night now?
Asking me a stupid question before.
Nani, it is stammer. It gets stammering problem. They call me before. Shall be goalkeeper. They call me before. No problem. No problem. Make it a good day. Now small like this, now home you. I for just go call my madam and tell my madam say this house will sell for him. You sell them for the agreement where they sign. You know sign say evil spirits follow them. Say evil spirits follow them this house now. Where you say I give them and they will call you to police to take right evil spirits statement.
You sure you like your job and you want to keep working here?
Yes.
Then why are we looking?
Say you brought another allegation now. Think or you brought another allegation now. Me and you who is doing this thing, drinking. Have you one bottle of drink for me before? For you to say I'm drinking. What's your own? Stop this kind of nonsense, bro.
If this is the reason why you call me to come up, then you must be very deliberate.
Please!
Don't try it again.
Don't ever!
Try it again.
Nami, have I made myself clear? Shut up! I don't mind you. Me and you, who looks like someone who is demoted or who is a mad person? If I'm a mad person, where is the location of mad people? Is it not in gutter or refuse bin or the digital ones they take them to the hospital? Did you see me in hospital? Did you buy bread for me and say, oh yeah, let us go and see this boy with grace down the couch for hospital? Have you done that kind of a thing for me before? You the grace, Are they ask you already, you don't the grace. Can you imagine? Look, let me just tell you, you are the one who is mad and demoted. See you can't even look at yourself. Well, you the raw pancake for face. Come here. Hey, see this one.
Listen to me. Ever hear this from you again? Or anybody that say you told him, I will skin you alive.
You skin with?
Have I made myself clear?
Wait, you they ask me if I made myself clear?
Tell me that one was here.
Man, as who? See this one. Your bandit the fall full from ground. No one sweep and come out. In a grace. Nonsense. Evil spirit.
I don't get it. You're confusing me.
Baby, stop. Stop, don't get me angry. Stop. Please.
just do to her? You just slept with her. Let's leave because she feel our presence. So you actually slept with her? Have you forgotten the word and hands are not the same?
Don't yelling at me.
Yes. Agnes, get up. He was touching me.
I'm sorry. I never meant to. We know this is not part of our mission.
She's so beautiful. She attracts me.
I can't believe you're still whistling like mortals. And this will affect our mission.
Tell me, how did you know I have bad sex with her? Have you done it with anyone?
He touched me. He touched you? Him? Who is him?
No. I never thought of such. My studies are most important to me. I'm going back to England to deal with her.
Wait, not when that girl is in there.
I hate her.
So do I. But we must wait for the right time.
That's all I get from you. Wait for the right time. When will that be?
He was touching me.
Oh.
Mrs.
What's the problem?
Paula. I'm looking for her.
But I thought both of you were in your room.
Yes, I slept off and I don't know where she is.
She didn't come to my room before I left this place. You know, like we should be. Have you checked every other place in the house, every part of the house?
What are you doing?